Now, as you can see here, I will explain how to fix export issues effectively. In CapCut on your PC, let's solve this issue now. First, as you can see here, check the free disk space on your computer carefully. Export may simply fail to proceed if there is insufficient memory available, as you see. You may have insufficient space on your PC or the disk itself, as you can see here. Now let's try to clear and free up some disk space carefully. I believe everything will work out well. If it still doesn't work, try restarting the program now. Now let's consider restarting the CapCut program. And you can also try rebooting your PC for better performance. Okay? Simply try restarting the CapCut program to fix issues now. If it still doesn't work, try restarting your PC now. Now, let's move to updating your graphics drivers for better performance, because it's very rare for this to be the cause of errors. Exporting issues with NVIDIA, ARM, and Intel graphics now. Try both methods, but updating drivers can indeed be a tedious task, as you can see here. It may take some time, but restarting is the best choice. Clear memory in CapCut, and I believe this should be enough for you now. Thank you all for watching this video, wishing you good luck and goodbye.